go to. I love it. Anyway. It's Friday! Yay! Unlike most of you people, well, I don't know, some of you people who go to school, I didn't go to school today. Woohoo! Although I do work at the school on Fridays. I help with the lunch program. Unfortunately, getting paid, so can't actually call it working. But anyway, then I go and help my mom because my mom works at the school, which is the only reason I help out at lunch there anyway. But so today's Friday, which means that right after my mom is done at work, we are going to pick up my brother from school because he is also in college and he moved away from home. And so we're going to pick him up. Yay! And I can't wait. So, he's actually the unit to pay for, and you can find him by going right here. You can find him there. And he's pretty cool. He's funny, unintentionally. So check him out if you can, if you want to, whatever. Alright, well, I gotta go because I gotta go take mail to my mom, and I just need him to drop off some chocolate. And then we're gonna go pick up my brother. Again, right here. Alright, bye. That was a smile.